You'll need a Torx number 6 screwdriver, a Zingui double capacity battery, a clean cloth or towel, and a container to store the 2 battery cover screws. This is the connector end of the battery and the charge indicator end of the battery. Turn off the Zingui and turn it over on the clean cloth or towel on a flat surface. Using the Torx number 6 screwdriver, remove the 2 battery cover screws and put them in the container for safekeeping. Lift up on the stand and remove the battery cover. A cracking sound will be heard, but that's normal. Remove the standard capacity battery from the battery compartment and insert the double capacity battery in the battery compartment. You'll need to remove the 4 fins inside the battery cover. These fins were used to keep the standard capacity battery from sliding inside the battery compartment, but they're not necessary with the double capacity battery because the double capacity battery takes up the entire battery compartment. If you can't remove the fins with your fingers, you can always use some needle nose pliers. Put the battery cover back on, making sure the 3 tabs on the bottom of the battery cover are inside the battery compartment. Reinstall the 2 battery cover screws using the Torx number 6 screwdriver. Make sure the 3 tabs on the bottom of the battery cover are inside the battery compartment.